Oh boy. My life and my garden is out of control. We're still working on that house that we sold and we got empty. So I have not been in the garden since Thursday. It rained not all day, but we weren't here Sunday, so it rained where we were at all day. So we were loading up stuff, and so and we had to unload last night, so we're a little exhausted. And the inspection was today, so a little exhausted. But you gotta see this. Oh my Lanta. Hold on, let me turn the camera around and you can check it out. So there is the zucchini that I picked. There's probably, I don't know, 10 or 15. And there are the weeds. They've gotten really super out of control. However, so has everything else. So this is my pickling cucumbers, which I need to pick today. I think I'm going to have to get lots of extra baskets because I have, oh my goodness sakes alive. And now we move down to the long bean waterfall. Oh my gosh. So I have a few. And then we come to the cucumber festival here. Oh my goodness sakes alive. They are enormous. And wow. I have this really great broccoli here. I have to get a knife to cut it off, but oh my gosh. I am so incredibly overwhelmed with these cucumbers and those long beans. Look at it. It looks like a waterfall. It's crazy. Holy moly. I haven't even looked at my tomatoes. Oh my goodness. Anyway, yeah, there's the tomatoes. I do see a few ripe, but not anything crazy, so I'm got my work cut out for me. After work is not enough. This is too big for me. All right. With that, I leave you with the green bean waterfall. Have a good night.